This is Sharon. In today's breaking news, you will come to know some information about US Senate update, Movious Capital, etc. Stay tuned till the end of the video so that you will not miss any important updates. US Senator urges regulators to increase scrutiny on crypto as it risks undermining sanctions against Russia. US Senator Elizabeth Warren is worried that cryptocurrencies risk undermining sanctions against Russia. She urges financial regulators to take this threat seriously and increase their scrutiny of digital assets. Senator Elizabeth Warren worried Russia could use cryptocurrency to evade sanctions. As governments worldwide are placing sanctions on Russia following its invasion of Ukraine, US Senator Elizabeth Warren is worried that cryptocurrency could give Russia a way to evade sanctions. The senator from Massachusetts tweeted Monday, "Cryptocurrencies risk undermining sanctions against Russia, allowing Putin and his cronies to evade economic pain." US financial regulators need to take this threat seriously and increase their scrutiny of digital assets, she added. Senator Warren's tweet was heavily criticized in the crypto community. Some people called her ignorant, while others said she lied. One person tweeted, "So what you are saying is that a stateless, permissionless, decentralized, and censorship-resistant currency is out of your control, so it must be stopped." US Senator Ted Cruz from Texas recently said that Senator Warren does not like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency because she cannot control them. Senator Warren's tweet includes an article by the New York Times titled "Russia Could Use Cryptocurrency to Blunt the Force of US Sanctions." Jerry Brito, executive director of D.C.-based think tank Con Center, pointed out some problems he found in the New York Times article Senator Warren cited. For example, the article mentions new tools developed in Russia that can help mask the origin of cryptocurrency transactions. However, it does not explain what the tools are or give any reference, Brito noted. And to think that ransomware could make up the income lost to sanctions is to misunderstand the scale of the blockade being imposed, he added, elaborating. Could crypto be used to evade sanctions? Of course. Could it be used at a scale that would undermine the measures being taken? I don't see how. Will legitimate crypto intermediaries comply with sanctions obligations? Better than a lot of banks, if recent history is any guide, the Coin Center executive concluded. What do you think about Senator Elizabeth Warren's comments? Let us know in the comments section below. This crypto firm wants to use DeFi loans to fund its trades. Alameda research revealed that it performs a significant percentage of its trades on DeFi platforms. One of the biggest crypto trading firms, Alameda Research, is financing part of its daily trading activity with DeFi loans. The leading crypto firm transacts around $5 billion worth of crypto daily and revealed that it would borrow $750 million from TrueFi and Maple Finance over the year. Alameda Research uses DeFi loans for trading. Alameda Research is one of the crypto firms founded by Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX and is a major trader on the exchange. It was also one of the major investors in the $12.5 million funding round for Trust Token, TrueFi's parent company. DeFi platforms like TrueFi were built to help solve one of the many problems crypto traders face: access to funds. Due to the industry's volatile nature and the cloak of anonymity surrounding players in the space, traditional financial institutions rarely provide access to funding. This has left a gaping hole in the crypto industry that TrueFi, alongside a host of others, tries to fill. According to Sam Trabucco, a top executive at Alameda, he revealed that the firm already conducts a double-digit percentage of its trading using DeFi, before adding that DeFi borrowing was also a significant part of its balance sheet. Trabucco also stated that the firm plans to use all the major DeFi platforms. DeFi growth mirrors that of the crypto industry. In recent days, the crypto industry has rebounded, and that can be seen in the numbers of DeFi platforms that have been performing impressively recently. According to data from DeFi, the total value of assets locked in the space is currently at $210 billion, with Ethereum-based platforms leading the pack. Between 2020 and now, the TVL has increased from $20 billion to over $200 billion. This is a significant increase considering the level of adoption the space has seen within the past year. Other blockchain networks like Terra, Solana, BNB Chain, Avalanche, and others have played a major role in the growth of space. Terra, for instance, has a TVL that is now worth well over $20 billion. A recent report, however, shows that most of the growth has been due to a rise in the value of tokens, especially ETH. Per the report, the growth of other blockchains has also considerably contributed to the growth seen in the space. While there is no debate that DeFi has more room for growth, the current political tensions around the world have considerably shown that the crypto industry generally has a role to play in helping people achieve their financial freedom goals. Mobius Capital founder explains why Bitcoin is rallying amid Russia-Ukraine war. Veteran investor Mark Mobius, the founder of Mobius Capital, explains why the price of Bitcoin is rallying as the Russia-Ukraine crisis deepens. Bitcoin is showing strength now because the Russians have a way of getting money out, he said. Mark Mobius on why Bitcoin's price is rising. The founder of Mobius Capital Partners, Mark Mobius, explained why the price of Bitcoin has been rallying in an interview with CNBC Tuesday as the crisis between Russia and Ukraine escalates. Prior to starting his own company, Mobius was executive chairman of Templeton Emerging Markets Group. He joined Templeton in 1987, where he managed more than $50 billion in emerging markets portfolios. He founded Mobius Capital Partners in March 2018. Mobius was asked whether he would buy Bitcoin in this environment since the price of BTC is rallying. "I would not be a buyer," he replied, but noted, "If I was a Russian, I would be a buyer." He proceeded to share that in Dubai, where he lives, a lot of foreigners come to buy properties. He detailed, "I was talking to a property agent yesterday. He said they'll buy anything. They get money out of Switzerland, they have Swiss bank accounts." Mobius added, "If they can pay with Bitcoin. Of course, that's an avenue to get money out of Russia." He continued, "I would say that's the reason why Bitcoin is showing strength now, because the Russians have a way of getting money out, of getting their wealth out. Otherwise, they are really in trouble with all the closures of different avenues for them to transfer money out," the veteran investor opined. Mobius has long been a Bitcoin skeptic. In November last year, he advised people not to look at cryptocurrencies as a means to invest. "It's a means to speculate and have fun. But then you got to go back to stocks at the end of the day," he advised. A number of analysts have said they doubt cryptocurrencies can help Russia evade sanctions. Ari Redbird of TRM Labs, for example, explained on CNBC Monday that while Russia will turn to cryptocurrencies, there is not enough liquidity in those markets to allow Moscow to deal with the heavy sanctions imposed by the US. and its allies. What do you think about Mark Mobius' comments? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications when we post a new video.